షేర్ చేస్తారా సార్? మీ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఆప్షన్ అక్కడే ఉంటుంది.
ఇక్కడ మేడం ఒక్క సెకండ్ మేడం. ప్రజెంట్ నవ్వు
మీది న్యూస్ సార్. సార్ మీది అంటే పీపీటీ ఉంది కదండి సార్, మీరు విల్ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సైడ్ సార్. ప్రెసెంట్ ఆప్షన్
చేసాను చూడు మేడం.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే సార్, జస్ట్ ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఇట్ రెడీ సార్.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్.
ఓకే ఓకే మేడం.
Good morning, madam. Shall I start, madam?
Just I will call principal, sir. I am waiting for principal, sir. Let us.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Hi.
Shravani,
Madam?
You can start the introduction.
Okay, madam. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all will be safe and in good health during this pandemic situation. On behalf of Riper IIC, Riper management and staff, I welcome you all for this webinar on mentorship session for student entrepreneurs through expert in association with Indian Pharmaceutical Association, IPA Anantapur local branch. Now, I would like to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Padmanabha Reddy Garu, and Riper ISC President, Dr. Vijay Jyoti Garu, and today's resource person, Dr. P. Dwarkanatha Reddy Garu, and all our Riper staff to this webinar. To move further proceedings, I would like to invite our Riper ISC President, Dr. Vijay Jyoti Garu, for his welcome address.
Good morning to Ananda. It's my privilege to reveal about IIC Riper, which is constituted in the year 2016 with the motto to promote innovations and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the campus. As part of these programs, development activities, IIC Riper conducts several workshops, training programs, conferences, and also exhibitions to the students and faculty. It's my pleasure to share that we have identified 20 young entrepreneurs from Riper. As part of the development activities, today we are organizing this one-day webinar on mentorship to the students about startups and entrepreneurship. I welcome Dr. P. Dwarkanath Reddy sir, resource person of today's program, for this session resource person, and to make this program grand success with his motivational and innovative speech about startup and entrepreneurship. Good morning, sir. I welcome Dr. P. Dwarkanath Reddy sir, and also yes, sir. Sir, our principal, Dr. Y. Padmanabha Reddy sir, is on the way and he is in journey, so he could not able to talk and joined to the webinar, sir. Sir conveyed his regards to you and also wished his best wishes for successful completion to conduct this program successfully, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Shravani? Yes.
Thank you, madam. Myself, Y. Shravani, Assistant Professor, Department of Industrial Pharmacy. I am very much pleasure to introduce our today's resource person, Dr. P. Dwarkanath Reddy Garu. Sir has completed his M.Pharmacy from Andhra University and PhD from Jawaharlal Technological University, Anantapur. He is having more than 15 years of experience in teaching, administration, and research, and presently working as professor head in Department of Pharmaceutics at Annamacharya College of Pharmacy, Rajampet, Andhra Pradesh. He is a life member of various professional bodies like Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Indian Pharmacy Graduation Association, Indian Pharmaceutical Association, International Society for Pharmacoeconomics and Outcomes Research, ISPOR. He has received several awards and honors to his credit, including prestigious Vidya Ratna Award from the Economic for Health and Educational Growth, New Delhi, Academic Excellence Award at Bangalore, Global Meeting Awards 2019 at Pondicherry. He has attended seminars and conferences held at both national and international level, and also presented oral and scientific papers at various international conferences like Nepal and Hong Kong. He received AICT sponsored STTP of 5 lakh grant on 2020 and also DST NIMAT projects in the year 2018-19 and 19-20. Sir is also an advisory member for Lusaka Apex Medical University, South Africa, and reviewer for index journals like AAPS, Bentham Science elsewhere, and editor for Journal of Global Trends in Pharmaceutical Sciences, and chairperson at IPC Noida, and advisory member for SKU, SP, MVV, JNTUA, and other universities. Currently, under his guidance, 6 members of PhD students are working, and under JNTU Anantapur, and he has published more than 30 papers in highly impact factor journals, and also appointed as a panel inspectors from Pharmacy Council of India, and appointed as a JNTU Board of Studies member for 3 years to Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, and also Sir appointed as National Innovation and Startup Program Coordinator of Annamacharya College of Pharmacy. With this brief introduction, I'll welcome Dr. P. Dwarkanath Reddy Garu to this webinar. I'll take over the session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving a nice introduction about me.
Thank you.
Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I start, madam?
Okay.
Madam Jyoti, madam?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah. So, good morning to all respected faculty members of RIPER, Anantapuram, and the principal, Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, and the coordinators and the program in charge, Jyoti madam, and all faculty members of RIPER team and teaching and non-teaching members, and Ravindra Reddy Garu, and your R&D director, and also as well as my dear lovable students. Good morning to all. So this is my great privilege to you in front of you here. So this is my great opportunity to share my views on this wonderful occasion of IPA sponsored IPA in association with Anantapur branch, RIPER. I am very happy to in front of you today. My presentation on entrepreneurship and innovation. So this is a broad area and this is not a simple topic here. I will explain as much of time will be possible for here that I will cover today regarding this entrepreneurship program. I will share the PPT, madam.
Yes, sir.
So students, entrepreneurs, pro expert members. So this is an excellent topic, and also current topic for the pharmacy students, and as well as all the public also. This will be helpful, this topic. So because of everyone having their own desires to start company or to establish a manufacturing unit or to establish any new company, like that, everybody they having some desire to earn money. So the money will become, or maybe money will be possible with hard work and success of anything by any entrepreneurs. So why we are selecting for this topic? That is the student, entrepreneurs, through the experts. So this is the three parts, three members are involved here. The first criteria, students. These are the first person. And second persons are entrepreneurs. Already entrepreneurs are nothing but the persons who are already having the company, or maybe he established one own way. And third one, expert members, the people who are having already experience on the particular area of the entrepreneurs. So this I will cover for innovation and entrepreneurship. So before going to an entrepreneurship, we must know what is innovation. Without innovation, without we are knowing to the innovation, we will not go for the entrepreneurship. Because of these two are the and interlinks for the innovation and entrepreneurship. So first, creativity. What is the creativity? Everybody having their thinking, their own ideas. In case of, if you see a small kid for 5 years or 6 years baby or 6 years boy, with first class student also, he is able to designing on new materials, or he is designing the new different ways for the materials. So he is having his own capacity and own creativity. So if you see, as compared to the old people, the young minds like you, the students who are having the B.Pharmacy and M.Pharmacy, and the students who are pursuing the courses like B.Tech or M.Tech. So the students having a lot of ideas and lot of creativity they are creating compared to the old people already. Because of the young minds having the fresh mind, and the people who are having innovative ideas, they are having a very well advanced techniques they are thinking about them nowadays. So this is an example for creativity. If you see one of the example for the old history, Graham Bell and as well as Michael Faraday. You know very well Michael Faraday, he discovered an electromagnetic waves. So this is the best example for an innovation. And next one, what is innovation and entrepreneurship? So innovation and entrepreneurship are the two closely related words which are mainly used in the business world. So these two are the very, very important words. As my advice for the young minds, please thinking and newly, and please follow the and innovative techniques for the anything. That may be reading or maybe reading out, or maybe otherwise you go for any other way. So whatever it may, that is useful for the public, which is you are discovered, or maybe you are invented, or maybe you are a find out, that should be useful for the society. That should not be harm for any society. So that's why the most important aspects is social invention is most important for any human beings. Social invention, which is less people to do, whether they could be having a previously do already. Already they conducted or they'd be done. That is not the matter already. So in case of that is a old technique only, but you are go for an innovative way to apply it for the society already. So you go to the society for innovation way. So what do you mean by innovation? Innovative ideas are the what will make the startup competitive. So this is the most important for competition. Entrepreneurship, the most important parameter is the competition for the entrepreneurs. Number of entrepreneurs are there, number of people are there. So if in case of you seen the competition for the world, this competition will be if in case of there is no competition, there is no success already. So whenever the competitions will be there, you are having a hard working more. So always your mind will be thinking about you compete for the other products already. My product is good, my life is good, my company having a high level. Like that your thoughts will be gone whenever there are competitions will be for anybody with others. So that's why innovators are helping for to fighting with other competitors, So that's why innovation and entrepreneurship. So these two are the most important relevant words. And next one, what is the students' entrepreneurship? Why we are discussing about today for entrepreneurship? So entrepreneurship is most important aspects for the students to learn more than just the choosing the field of study. Always you are thinking only pharmacy, 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 pharmacy. Your life is like that in only one way. Don't go like this. You go for an alternative. Why I will not start the pharma company? Why I'm go. The best example for an entrepreneur in your reasonable, your principal is the best example, Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy. He established one Raipur Pharmacy College and Ravindra Reddy Garu. And Ravindra Reddy Garu and our Padmanabh Reddy sir is the best example for your life. Because of they are in front of you and daily you will visit. You seen these two peoples, they are having established one Raipur College and as well as one pharma company in Anandapur. So, and also they having, why not you are selecting for to establishment pharma company in Anandapur regional or maybe in local regionals. So, aloe vera manufacturing or maybe any eucalyptus oils or jam oils. So, number of natural products are available from this region. So, you are selecting the natural products and you are establishing a pharma company or natural products, herbal medicines also. This is possible our surrounding area. In the students level, it is possible. One of the example for the students' life examples, Oyo. You see the number of rooms are available in the society lodges. Rooms and lodges also. That Oyo hotels also established an young-minded person with 16 years age people person only. He established this Oyo rooms. And also Mahima Tatla, you know very well. She is the CEO of Biological Events, BE, which is a very famous company in Hyderabad for manufacturing of serums and blood products. And which is the biological products manufacturing unit. They are planning to start it for the COVID-19 vaccine also. They are as a part of now. They are invited and they are planning to establish the COVID-19 vaccine also in association with US company. So that CEO also Mahima Datla, she is the young mind. She is having only 21 years of the girl only. She is the CEO of Biological Events. A number of women entrepreneurs also available and number of young women also available. So that's why the part of as entrepreneur, you should go for an alternative way for and compared to the very important, you go for the study is very important and alternative you go for the entrepreneurship. So that's why the worship, the own field of study and create an interdisciplinary environmental to work and development of your entrepreneurships. The networks and friendships are which is developing the students to become a better connected once they have leave the colleges or institutions or universities, which will be helping for to preparing them a long-term success. Once you leave the colleges, once you leave the institution, question mark for your life, on what way I will go, where I will go, how to earn the money. This is my life, I'm having a lot of problem in my house. Your minds and your thoughts are having a lot of questions from your brain. Then that time your selection and your right way is very important. On what way you go for your life, whether a right way or wrong way. If you go for right way, your life is a good life, good way in your position and you are in the leader in the society. If you are go for a bad way or wrong way, your life is completely collapsible. So that's why when you are leaving the college or university or institution level, you should become and you should be thinking and you should be having a perfectly and predicted your life. This is my life and this is my target. The target is most important for your life. So that's why these entrepreneurs are helping to go for a long-term success of your career. And what is the difference between innovation and invention? So invention key or innovation key, what is the difference? It's a simple difference. So invention is nothing but formulations of new ideas for product or process. If you see product or maybe process, this is the only idea. This is not implementation. Invention is a only idea. Your idea also copied from others. Your idea also copied from anybody, but that is not implemented. So invention is nothing but a new idea only. But innovation is the practical application that will be possible for the society. That will be goes to the society. So innovation is a practical application of the new innovations, which is coming to the marketable for product or maybe services. So innovation is nothing but idea. Innovation is nothing but practical application. That is a marketable product or maybe that is a service oriented, whether maybe free services or maybe paidable. So that is the difference between innovation and invention. So this is a simple example. Difference with the invention and innovation. If you see the two images, these two images, one is invention cycle only, but that cycle is modified with rubber cars is established and one handle is established, and that is the own idea of that person. Is change the model and change the innovation. This is nothing but an innovation. Innovations and inventions. Best example for these cycles. And what are the various types of innovations? So innovations are mainly 10 types. Nearly for 10 types. One is core process and product performance, product system, services, channels, brands, customers experiences, networkings, business models, and enabling processing. So these are the various 10 types of innovations are available. So if you see then practically and flow chart, if you see this flow chart of the innovations process cycle. So first one, if you see, this is a creative idea. First you are having thoughts, this is your brain. This is your brain. You are thinking about how you are go for the innovations and how you are planning to for entrepreneurship. So lot of ideas and lot of thinking are in your brain. That is the creative of and ideas. So after the creating of your idea, that will be go for and challenging whether that is possible or not, whether may be applicable or not applicable. That also most important. After innovations or challenges, then you go for you discuss with your friends. You discuss with your idea with your friends. So if your friends are giving a positive opinion and negative opinions, so if the people who are giving the negative opinions, first you collect all these negative opinions and you discuss with them, and you clearly you are thinking about that negative impact because of the positive ways given by everybody, but negative ways not given by all. So the people who are giving the negative advice for you, you first of all think that one, why they are giving this negative advice for me? Any drawback of this my ideas or any problem for my idea, like that you think. So after a discussion with your friends, then your collaborations ideas will be helping for your success of your product. So after discussing of these all things, you go for a compilation. After compilation of the product, after compilation of these all things, you go for scientifically evaluation is most important. Whether scientifically that is approved or not. You see the number of examples for nowadays. In Nellore, we see the Ayurveda product that is for Corona. Whether one of the person is given an Ayurvedic combination of the product, but all the people they said whether that is scientifically not proved. Scientifically not proved. When they proved, when that is when that is approved or not, that is second. So what is the scientific data you are collecting from that information from Nellore? So all the connected scientific information, and you go for whether discussion. Yes, this is a good or maybe this is a bad. Like that, the decision will be taken only coming from the after scientific evaluation. After scientific evaluation, you go for testing and development. So in case of that is a possible in our laboratory, you go for testing or maybe development. So after testing, implementation. After implementation, your application you will go for once you go for the review of the processing, and finally that got the marketing approvals. So this is the idea, and finally the product go for the marketing. So before going to the marketing of the product, you are discussing with your friends. They give the positive opinions and negative opinions. If in case of positive opinions, you observe one thing, and negative opinions also once you observe that one, both your compilation. After compilation, you go for the testing or maybe development. After testing, go for implementation, and finally you reach your goal. That is the product will be go for the marketing. So I will give some example for the innovations in pharma. I will give 2-3 examples only with a simple way. This is the best example for innovations in pharma. 3D printing of biological materials. 3D printing of biological materials. This is the most important and nowadays most important and very important topic for the pharmaceutical formulation development and for the packaging development and formulation division. This is the most widely using for nowadays for 3D printing of biological materials. I seen one articles in recently from Pharma Times. You know very well, Indian Pharmaceutical Association. They published on Indian Pharma Time books also. In that Pharma books, in that Pharma book time, Pharma Times also, they published a separate articles on this 3D printing of materials or 3D printing of biological products. And second example for this one, wearable technologies like Google Lens. So this Google Lens are helping for to identification and to observing for any compounds which are especially particular in the area of the manufacturing or maybe quality control divisions. And needle-free diabetes care. This is most important and very useful for all the diabetic peoples because of without having the needle-free diabetes care and veins identification final. So this vein identification is nothing but best example for our biometric system. Our biometric system. We go and kept our finger on the biometric instrument, then they are observing our attendance, whether maybe we are present or absent. That also identified with help of our biometric instrument only. With how the biometric instrument also helping for vein identifications. So these are the number of examples are available in the marketing for these innovations in our pharmaceutical product development. So this is the 3D printing, the first drug in the marketing for levetiracetam, which is the using for treatment of an epilepsy treatment, so that will be useful for the levetiracetam. And this is the first approved drug for FDA. They are given for the drug which is printing with help of 3D only. So only for 3D printing of this drug. So 3D printing, best example of a drug US FDA given for this brand name also called as Spectrum. Spectrum, the brand name for the pharma company which is manufacturing for this product, and Aprica pharmaceutical company USA. This is the first 3D printing drug in the marketing for approval of this epilepsy drug. And another example for innovations in pharma, M-Health sensors. That is M-Health means, M means mobile health, mobile with applications of mobile. So with help of number of advantages are there. For COVID-19 also we are checking by our oxygen levels in our with help of the softwares. Like that number of examples for with application of and mobiles. Mobile health sensors are using for practice of medicines which are supporting by our medical devices. Our medical devices are helping with help of our mobile that will be identified oxygen levels or maybe blood glucose levels or number of applications are available for these mobile applications, and which can be having monitored with the health and physiological data without visiting the doctors. No need to go and discuss with your doctor. Your way, your own way, you go for discussing with your without discussing with the doctor. You identify your problems and you are monitoring your health conditions. The world first virtual care center which is established in the USA, that is the Mercy Virtual Center. Mercy Virtual Center in USA, which is the first worldwide established virtual mode. Now all the classes almost also our class works also going on this virtual mode only with help of this virtual care only. What are the uses of this mobile healthcare sensors? For identification of pulse checking, for detection of diseases, and fitness will be checking by using our mobile applications only. And this is another example for various different types of organ chips are using for here. Bone marrow identification, immune response identification, liver, metabolism, gut walls, heart, liver, and as well as various kidney problems also were identified with help of inserting a small chip-based technologies. Nowadays, you see the number of movies also for relevant to this topic of this chip-based technologies, which is helping for our body, which is helping for our technologies, which will be helping for to identification of any problems or to identification of any drawback in our body that will be identified with help of this organ chips. I will say some of the example for an world history. So this is our present trend I am saying. For if you see in the world history of our culture, our whole history of an era, an ancient modern era, and an oldest history of history. So this is the best example for indication of innovation. So Pushpaka Vimanam. So you know very well in Ramayana, Pushpaka Vimanas in Ramayana. This is the best example. That time Rama and Sita, they went by this help of Pushpaka Vimana. So if you see, this is the nowadays, the Pushpaka Vimana is established and nowadays that will be invented, and that is a little bit modifications. Day by day innovations will be going on. Update knowledge is most important. Update knowledge is most very important for any student or maybe faculty member or maybe anybody. The most important point is update knowledge. Without update knowledge, without technology, without your updating your talent, you are waste of your life. So this is an example for an innovations. If you see in the old diagram, this is a Pushpaka Vimana and this is the latest India. The Air India will be having the Air India establishment that time. They are helping for this Pushpaka Vimana only for discovery of these aeroplanes. And next one, another example, legend of Kauravas and ancient cloning and test tube babies are India. Test tube babies in our India. But this is not proved. But this is not scientifically proved. But as per the mythology and as per the mythology which is said by our grandfathers and grandmothers, so you see this is the best example for an legend of Kauravas, which are nothing but an test tube babies. Whether that is true or not, the secondary. True or not, secondary. But we seen. But as per this story of this legend of Kauravas stories, the number of people are said. You know very well Dronacharya, who is the guru of Mahabharata for both Pandavas and Kauravas. So far, if you see for Dronacharya, what do you mean by Drona? Drona means pot, P-O-T. pot, Unda. So pot. And Acharya means Guru. Drona means Guru. Drona means pot. He discovered. So this is the, if you see another one. So you know very well, these two peoples, Gandhari and Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, both are the blind peoples. Both are they don't know anything about the what's going on in society because of both are the blind peoples. But as per the mythology of history of peoples, they said they are all Kauravas also they are born in the pot only. This is a pot. If you see in this image, this pot, all the peoples are they born. All Kauravas are born in the pot because of this is the dividing for cloning technology. And whether true or not, the second one, but as per the mythology, as per history, we see that this is one of the best example for development of, or maybe innovations will be possible for changing of this world history. World data are helping for our now. And another example, that is Rama Setu, which is bridge of the Ramayana from Sri Lanka to India. So this is also development day by day, and day by day they are developed from this one. And another one, another example for here, Ganesha writing Mahabharata. Ganesha writing Mahabharata as illustrated by an Vyas. He said, and writing with help of this Ganesha writing the Mahabharata as illustrated by an Vyas. This is another example. This is a very simple and very easy to understanding for this image. So here, now we have seen we have laptops and mobiles and phones, everything, but in world and history itself, Mahabharata and Shashireka, you know very well, this is a very interesting story in Mahabharata. Shashireka, she is the daughter of Balrama. She is the daughter of Balrama. She is charting with Abhimanyu. She is charting with the Abhimanyu in that area. So this is the laptop, Shashireka and son of Arjuna. So here the Abhimanyu is the son of Arjuna. The Shashireka, she is charting with Abhimanyu always with help of this only. This is the nowadays first laptop with the Skype. Almost an internet face also, they are available in that days only. That days itself they are available. This is the best example. Another one example for innovations for live telecast of Kurukshetra war. Because of Dhritarashtra, he is a blind person. He don't know what is going on in the Kurukshetra. But everything is telecasted. Everything is discussing with his soldier, or maybe that name person is Sanjay. With help of this Sanjay, he explained everything what is going on in the Kurukshetra and how that can be having a divine and how what is the reasons. Everything is discussing here. And because of the books such as place of the illustration suggests that even Draupadi was gifted with this one. This is an narrow. And next one, telecasting. Nowadays, this is nothing but telecast. Another example for transplantation. Transplantation. This is another example. So transplantation of health in India, as per the mythology, organ transplantations. When the Hindu Shiva beloved the Ganesha, and which is established one small like a baby, that is with help of an all carbohydrates materials and small powder materials with help of she created a, and Parvati created the Ganesha. So when the having a complete remove of head, that artificial head is inserted with Shiva in front of Ganesha. This is the best example for the nowadays transplantation technology, which is developing by day. Now we are called as this method is a transplantation. So up to that I am covered the innovation because of our topic is innovation and entrepreneurship. Up to that we have seen what are the various types of innovations. Best example for as per history and mythology, transplantation, organ chip, laptops and aeroplane. That is all are discovered and invented from the whole history of this one only. Now our topic is a second topic, that is entrepreneurship or maybe entrepreneur. So after completion of innovation, we go to the invention. Invention, we go to the entrepreneur. What is entrepreneur? What is entrepreneurship? The government of Andhra Pradesh and government of India, they established the skill development centers also for the various institutions. Like example, Annamacharya and your Raipur College, and here recently Tirupati One College and Hyderabad. Number of colleges they established skill development center for government of Andhra Pradesh. Government of Andhra Pradesh as a part of our entrepreneur only. Their aim is to motivate the young minds, to motivate the young students towards to the entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurship, the government of India and also government of Andhra Pradesh was encouraged here. The government of India, they are encouraging to give the funding projects for entrepreneurship awareness camp. Entrepreneurship awareness camp. They give some funding projects also for the students and faculty members to encourage the young minds towards to the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur is the person who establishes his own way business models or industrial undertaking with the view of marketing point of view. This is most important. Entrepreneur. Everybody is not entrepreneur. All success people also once upon a failure entrepreneurs only. You keep in your mind, whenever you are not, when you birth, that time you are not learning all things. When you go for society, your number of struggle you facing, then you learn a lot of things from the society. Like that, when you establish a pharma company, when you establish a small scale manufacturing unit, or maybe large scale manufacturing, everything success is not possible. Day by day you go for the hard working. The person who establishes entrepreneurship, that person is called as entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is what are the characteristics of entrepreneurs? Very important for without your character, without your having your own knowledge, without having your having your own ideas, you will not go for the society. The character is most important for an entrepreneur. The dignified and for knowledge and coordination and for helping for the other ones, and how to maintain your colleagues. That is most important for the leader. Or maybe if in case of you are a good leader, you are a good entrepreneur. You are a good leader in the society, you are a good entrepreneur. The financial is secondary. The banks also providing for financial support for the students or maybe entrepreneurs. Financial matter is secondary. Your idea is the most important. For characteristics of an entrepreneurs, the first parameter is as hard work is most important. Whether that is possible or not, that is secondary. Possible or not, secondary, but your hard work and your sincerity and your dedication is most important towards the entrepreneur. So that's why the hard work is most important. You see in the image, this is not possible. If in case of this is very easy, the ant will be having uplifting this uplift this stone, this maybe this small bark, but this is tried. And business acumen and sincerity. I will start the company, I will go on sleeping in my home. All employees, they are hard working. Why I am go for my company? This is not right way. Every day you go for your company. Every day you visit your company. Every day you are checking your production. And every day you find out what are the drawbacks from your manufacturing unit, or maybe what are the drawbacks from your business, and that you identified and you correct for next day. Then that will be helping for success of your career. This is the business sincerity. And prudence. Decision is very important. Whether right decision or wrong decision, that is secondary. The decision taken most important in right way, with the right time, and right decision is most important. Within a short time of period. So you are having struggling one problem in the society, or maybe you are struggling with any problem. You are taking for decision, will be having 4 or 5 days. That is a waste. Or maybe 10 days after that I will take decision. No problem now. I am having everything is fine. Everything is perfectly for my life. That's why I will take for 5 or 6 days after that. My taking decision like that. It's a waste of decision of yourself. The decision should be taken in right time. With the right time, with a right decision is most important. Whether maybe right or wrong, almost all you thinking and right way. If you go for right way, wrong way, then you discard that one. Discard and go for the alternative for another next person. And achievements and motivations is most important. The number of people in the society, they are discouraging you. Out of 100 members, 90% of the people they said this is the waste. This is the waste. Why you go for this method? Why you go for this way? Only 10 persons in the society, they are encouraging you. Whether maybe right or wrong, you go, you do, you less. This is important like that already. I will do. I don't want to. Like this, if you feel, you go for and back way. Yes, I do. Yes, I can do. Like this, if you do, I will do. First initial what you are thinking, I don't know it, I won't do it. I can't do it. I want to do it. How I'll do it, I don't know. And I will try my level best anyway, whether that is success or not, secondary. Like that you feel, that is I will try, that is good. And you go for, I can do it. Yes, I will do. I will do it. Finally, you got your resume. And yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. So, that is very important. So, which is the steps you have to go for and reaching this to part, whether upgrading or low grading. If you are sincerely, you are doing hard work and sincere, and you are towards to your entrepreneur, you go for your life is in good way. If you are not thinking like this, your life is go for the down way. Up way or down way, that will be depends upon your character and your decision and your hard work and sincerity. And self-reliance and independence is most important. Whether freedom, if they are having a freedom for your employees, yes, our boss is good, our owner is right person. He give a complete freedom for me. He give a complete idea, complete decisions for me. I will develop this organization. This is my organization. This is my company. Like that, they feel feel by the all pharma peoples. This is self-reliance and independence. So freedom and self-reliance and highly optimistic. Highly optimistic, that is nothing but an possibility. Yes, this is a possibility or not possible. If in case of impossible, you leave it. Impossible, you leave it because of lack of sources of your raw materials or lack of sources of anything from your side. So in case of that is a problem for you, you leave it that one. If in case of that is a possible, you go for highly optimistic. Optimistic is nothing but a possible or impossible. Keen foresight. This is most important. Long vision. Number of struggles will be there. Number of struggles will be came day by day. When you show, so today you start one company or today you start the pharma, like any one or maybe any small business, number of problems will be there. 1 or 2 days is not possible. 1 or 2 days you are not afraid with any problem in the society. 1 or 2 days or you are not taking any decision for whether maybe closing or maybe continue. The closing or continue will be depends upon when you see the long time. So that's why long goal is very important and long vision is most important. If you are having a long vision, then you are observing. Yes, first initially when I start my company, that time I face a lot of problems, but I'm very happy because of I'm having a good money. I am having earning a number of amount, more amount also from this business. That time you are very happy. After listen, after maybe long vision only. You are having the mind should be having a not a narrow mind. So broad mind you should be keep in your brain. Broad mind. You should not having any narrow mind. Long vision and planning and organizing ability. Planning and organizing ability. So you perfectly planned any company. You perfectly planned any organization. You perfectly planned any business of the when how many days is required. How many months you required and how many years also required for to establish your long company or maybe short one. And these innovations examples for here, innovations and fresh ideas and risk taking. This is the most important. Without risk, there is no business. Without risk, there is no business. Every business having a risk only. You are having a maintenance for if you bearing your risk, you got the rewards from your company. And sincerity and secret is most important. This secret is nothing but and secrecy, top secrets. In case of your company having a number of problems or maybe any secret formulas, that should be keep in your brain only. Don't discuss with anyone and don't discuss with anybody. And sincerity most important and public relations are most important. You discuss with everything. All things are your friends and you discussing anything with the any problem or maybe any risk you are having, then you discuss with your friends only or maybe your reliable persons only. Don't discuss all things are with all peoples. In case of some people are they playing some games on your pharma company. They play a lot of problem. Like they play the and small games on your business. So public relations also you maintain. So that's why almost all your relations should be having a genuine and reliable persons only in your company. Employees are you kept like this. And communications are the most important. How to discuss and how do you you are behaving with your friends and how do you behave with your colleagues. If you give respect for your colleagues, if you are respecting for your employees, then ultimately they are hard working and they are doing something for your company. Communications is most important. And this is another example for overview of types of entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs are small, 3 types are available: micro, small, medium. So small, medium, this is required for micro company. Below 25 lakhs investment is enough. Below 25 lakhs is enough already. Even though 10 lakhs have they started, maybe 5,000 also initial amount. You are having a 5,000 from your pocket money. With your 5,000 or maybe 1,000 rupees also you started one company. Up to some company they are having started very small. That is a micro. For government of Andhra Pradesh and government of India, they are also encouraging for these entrepreneurs for establishment of pharma companies or maybe relevant to any institutions. There is a 10 lakhs above, and this is up to the 25 lakhs micro companies, small and medium. Small companies up to the establishment for 5 crores, 2 crores to 5 crores, and for medium 5 crores to 10 crores. So this depends upon the financial aspects where that is based on your feasibility, small, micro and medium. Next one. What are the functions of entrepreneurs? This is the most important one. The marketing opportunities. For marketing opportunities. What are the various marketing opportunities from your company or your product in the marketing? For your product in the marketing. And this is the marketing opportunities for and input is most important. for fine human relations also maintain, and customers relations also maintain, managing your customers and supply relations with your suppliers, and financial resources are the most important, and production maintenance is important, and how to discuss with your, or maybe how to upgrading of your process or maybe product. Update knowledge is important for your any product, and this is the decision making of functions, and planning, coordinating, organizing, staffing, and directing. So these 5 are the most important parameters for entrepreneurs: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and coordinating. So coordination, if you are having a good coordination, the success will be automatically comes for you. Coordinating. Risk is already we explained previously, and this is capital. The capital of amount. How the capital will be earning from there. So the capital is not a matter problem. Even though single 1 rupee also enough for to start the manufacturing of, or to start any pharma company, or maybe to start the any entrepreneurs. Single 1 rupee is enough. But hard work and sincerity is most important. The capital also, if in case of you are not having the financial resources, the banks are providing for the loans. I will explain in last way the slide which is having the financial resources given by the Andhra Bank, maybe State Bank of India. I will explain the last slide also for the financial resource for you. And balancing role. How you maintain your family and your business. If you see in these two images, if you see, the same way they are sitting and same way they are sitting. Where the difference will become? They are hardworking people, and they are planning some life. They plan something their life, but these people are not trying. But maybe in future their aim should be having like this only. Nowadays they are like this. They are sitting in a small hut. But in future their aim and their target should be, we are in this like way. And employment generation's role. Employment opportunities. The most important entrepreneur, you always remember and you keep in your mind. Your thoughts should be having a helping for the thousands of the members of the society public. And employment generation will be having a possible. If you establish one pharma company, establish your any small scale manufacturing unit, number of employees also required. Automatically what happens? Employability will be more. Export and promotions for the other countries. You identify the good ways. And next one, for government policies here. Government policies. What are the various policies for the government? Startup India, and this is another one. And Make India. You see in the Narendra Modi, Pradhan Mantri, he said always Make in India, Make in India. So this Make in India, Skill Development India, and Swachh Bharat, and next National Skill Development Mission, and Digital India, all trendings. So these all are the various schemes are available for this encouragement of entrepreneurship for society. And next one, for banks. What are the various financial resources for the bank facilities for the government? Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises, they are encouraging 30% of the total projects they give for here. That scheme is called as Trade Scheme for the Women's. These are the women's available schemes. Bharatiya Mahila Bank, which is available from here, and they are encouraging for Bharatiya Mahila Banks to encouraging for women's. And for Andhra Bank also the scheme, that scheme is name is Alep and maybe CGST. So if you are going and asking this, Alage, Achya Mahila, Arthrik staff from other banks, and Oriental banks, or maybe Oriental Bank of Commerce, they are having the scheme for the professionals and self-employment women. And Dena Banks also scheme name is Dena Shakti scheme. And for Canara Bank, Saint Kalyaki. So these are the number of areas, agencies or maybe the banks. Andhra Bank is very important, very best for to take the any loan facilities for this entrepreneurships or maybe entrepreneurship programs. So this is your target or your goal, most important for Arjuna like this, for any company. And always you keep in your brain, your mind should be having a like eagle. Best to remember the lifespan of eagle story. You know very well, eagle. This is a rebirth story of eagle. So day by day, that will be changing their mentality, and that will be changing day to day. Organs also modification day by day. After modification of organs, they're slowly regenerating up to 100 years. That will be 70 to 80 years. That will be live in the society eagle. So because of eagle life story is example for our life to developing our skills, our knowledge, and our updating skills, updating knowledge. Updation is most important for anyone. Updation is very important, and updating skills are most important for even every human beings, because of if you are not updating your mind, if you are not updating your skills, you are a zero in the society. Whenever you are updating your knowledge and your skills, then you are having a good life in the society and you got good. So thank you, madam, for Vijayjyoti madam. Because of the time factor, I will concise my presentation also. I will not explain briefly. So due to the time factor, but because of the given only 1 hour for me with 1 by 1 slide for explanation split time taking processing. So that's why I will close this topic. Thank you, madam, Jyoti madam, and Padmanabh Reddy garu, and your coordinator Sudhir, and your another all members of the Viper team. So far, congratulations to you, madam, for encouraging your students towards to and entrepreneurs. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for
sir.
your excellent inspirational speech about entrepreneurship, sir. You have given very good examples about the interpersonal skills and importance of interpersonal skills which are required for today's generation. And also you have provided a very good information about the government policies, sir. Really, those are very useful to the not only to the students and also for the faculty. And you have given the very good examples and details about the even the women and also the young entrepreneurs are having the scope to get the financial support from the banks. Sir. Thank you, sir. Really, it's very interesting and just to have realized the mythology also, and we have remembered that technology development from the ancient days. Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. You have given the very good and excellent inspirational mentor session to the students. Sir. Thank
Welcome, madam. Welcome, madam.
you so much for your motivational speech, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And as the capacity of IIC president, and I thank all the student participants for their successful participation in this program. And also I thank Dr. P. Dwarkanath Reddy sir for his mentorship to the students, and I thank all the committee members and also the other student members who have supported to make this program a success. Thank you, sir. I thank you.
Welcome. Welcome, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, now I am ending the session. Thank you.